What's the meaning of button? Button. Button.
Button. Button. A button is a small, usually circular or square-shaped object that can be pressed to activate a mechanism or an electronic device. When a button is pressed, it typically performs a specific action or initiates a process, such as turning on a light, starting a machine, or executing a command on a computer program. Buttons can be found in a wide variety of settings, from clothes and furniture to cars and smartphones. They are often used as a simple and intuitive way for users to interact with technology and control their environment.